it will just all of a sudden appear, a big string of them.
Here's one, Dan. I thought I saw a couple.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, I
They're
see it.
they're spread out farther now.
Yeah.
Wait, they're spread out way further.
There's all kinds of them.
Okay, I see it now. Yeah, they're not even in a direct line anymore. They're kind of a little waggly. Oh, see, they're just appearing out of nowhere. See,
Yeah.
here's another one. Oh my God, dude! With this, you can just see it, a train go on forever behind it from the west. Basically, where I said it was going to be, huh? Boy, that's really spread out. They're flying right under Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia. Yeah, it's kind of. I think it's kind of cooler when they're all bunched up. You know, because they like add to each other's brightness. You want to look with the scope?
I can see it.
They're really spread out, huh? Yeah, it's not as spectacular like that, but it's still cool. It's the little dragon. What I like to look for is see if they have any visitors watching them. Like the last 2 nights. Oh, what's that? A plane? I don't see a strobe on it.
Oh, I watched one cross over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's going west, whatever that is, kind of north, like east to north. Ooh, one just shot out of nowhere. They're shooting out of nowhere over here. Oh, you got a grip of it.
Yeah, some are bunched up more than others.
Right over here. It just keeps looking weird. They keep pop out of nowhere.
Somebody's on my YouTube channel said there's going to be 108 of
They're
them.
about to cross. They're crossing over here.
It's hard for me to see now because the scope fucks up your night vision.
There's so many stars. The Milky Way is popping out.
Yeah, it is. Boy, they are really starting to spread out. It's amazing how much they spread out so quickly.
But they're all converging in this area.
Now there's a lower one, there's one lower, and then there's a brighter one up above it, and then another lower one. You see them? See the two lower ones and the one brighter above it?
Yeah.
Here comes another bright one at the same path. Oh, see, there's a crosser.
Yeah.
See the crosser?
Yeah.
It's going right towards it, dude. It's changing its...
There's one coming.
Oh my God, dude.
It looked like they changed direction.
Dude, they both did. It looked like they both... It looked...
Those were stars sitting there.
Dude, I swear to God, that one that was going at it, it started tailing it, and the other one took a right.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Swear.
I know. I've got it recorded.
They're all converging in this area.
So what's up with that? How do you...
No, we got a line, dude. Like 6 of them, 10 of them.
I know, but how do you explain that?
Oh, shit.
Here's another convergence, the same as the other one. But how would that happen where it like came up, it turned and went right on its tail, and then the one that was getting tailed took a right? They both changed direction.
What's that? The train's coming through.
Starlink don't do that. They don't change direction. Okay,
You see the chain?
here's two more converging. Look. You see it?
Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
And the one behind looks like it's taking a right.
We got the train. Do you see the train? There's like 20 of them.
Where?
Fucking just north.
Where? Here, where we've been looking?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I see it now.
The train's coming through.
Yeah. That. Now they're a lot closer to each other.
Holy shit.
So maybe she was right. There is going to be 108. There must have been 2 launches. That's weird, though, the ones that seem to be changing directions. I didn't think they did that. Wow, dude. I see a whole bunch right now that are changing direction on the upper one, not the lower train. Now, these are starting to look closer together now on the upper one. This is crazy. You still see the train?
Yeah.
Okay, there it is, yeah. Some look faster than others, too. Oh, they just keep coming and coming. I wonder how many launches they had. 3? At least 2. God, that train's still going over there.
Got one crossing going
On the upper one or the
going
train?
north, in between the upper and lower
I
train.
see it. Oh, and there's like an orange one. You see that orange one? Is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah.
That orange one, it looks like it's going more southeast, but at our zenith. The lower train gone. Just about. Last one I see. Yeah.
I see more.
That's weird. The upper one's still gone because they're spread out more. Okay, there's another crosser. Maybe he's going on his warpath. That's right. Everybody's saying that today's the day of the alien invasion. It's just Starlink, people. It's just Starlink. God, look at this. Well, maybe the aliens are using their, their drones or their, what do you call it? Droid scouts to observe Starlink. Well, this one's still going. Wow. I can still see him coming forever, dude. Any more crossers? Here's Cassiopeia. See, Pleiades.